How to remove the suggested on Messenger. Hello everyone, my name is Smile and in this video I'm gonna show you how you can remove the suggested in Messenger. So for that you must follow the following steps right here. So watch this video till the very end. Go to the settings of your phone, scroll down and down up until you see the option of apps. Now from apps what you need to do is search for Messenger application from the top search bar. On the top search bar simply search for Messenger here. And after you tap on Messenger, scroll down and tap on Storage option. Now just clear all the data and clear all the cache. After you do that, simply open your Messenger application. You need to tap on Continue, and now you will see that there you will not see any suggested options on Messenger. So that's how you can solve this problem pretty easily. I hope you liked the video. If you liked the video, then please do hit the thumbs up and subscribe button, and also comment in the comment section below. Thank you for watching.